Introducing Global Edge Engineering Assistant. Global Edge Engineering Assistant is an automated workflow system that works with your existing software technologies to increase engineering capacity. Global Edge is your engineering virtual assistant that is built around SolidWorks, and helps automate labor-intensive workflow tasks associated with the quoting, engineering and manufacturing workflow process. Global Edge Engineering Assistant is an automated workflow system that includes 8 key areas to increase engineering capacity. Automated Production Work Queue. Automated CAD Part Analysis. Automated Sheet Metal Batch Unfolding. Manufacturability Testing. Automated CAM, Program Generation. Automated Routing Generation. Automated Product Configuration. Automated Sales Quote Generation. Global Edge Engineering Assistant provides innovative design for manufacturing functionality that includes the automated importation and analysis of CAD part parameters. These CAD part parameters serve as a foundation for manufacturability testing, and the automated generation of routings, sales quotes and CAM bending programs. This includes 48 CAD part parameters that ranges from part height, width, material, thickness, bend radius and bend angles. This also includes parameters such as flange lengths and widths, PEM hole distance from bend lines. This automated process helps ensure that parts can be successfully fabricated before they leave engineering and reach the shop floor. CAD part parameter analysis coupled with manufacturability testing speeds up the prototyping process, reduces and eliminates costly shop floor errors by identifying fabrication issues that includes matching standard bend processes with the proper tooling. To schedule a demonstration and learn how the Global Edge Engineering Assistant can help your company increase engineering capacity and save thousands of hours, please visit www.ldcglobal.com.